Advanced Phraseography Day 1. First phrase is agree with the. Agree with the. Next is all circumstances. All circumstances. And in all probability. And in all probability. As fast as it were. As much as were. As the matter brought forward by and by some means, dealing with the, discuss the matter. Thank you. Important phraseography day 2. Every circumstance. I am certain that you are. I am inclined to think. I am persuaded. I am very glad, or I am very glad. I think it is necessary. I think that you are. In his own opinion. In the meantime. In this country, or in this country. In this matter. In this respect. Notwithstanding. Thank you. Advanced Phraseography Day 3. Notwithstanding such. Notwithstanding that. On either hand. On either side. On the other hand. On the other side. On these occasions. On this occasion. On this matter. Peculiar circumstances. Per annum and per month. Percentage or percentage. Quite agree. Thank you. Important phraseography day 4. Quite agreeable. So that we may take the liberty. There were those which we are now. Those who are. Those who were. Through the word. To bring the matter very satisfactorily. You will agree. You will probably. From us. Please inform us. Thank you. Advanced Phraseography Day 5. Please inform us to us as we have, as we can, as we cannot, as we do, as we think, as we shall, as we may, as well as usual, as well as can be, as soon as we can, as soon as they. It is said. Thank you. Important phraseography day 6. For his sake, in this century, in this city, in this subject, of this city, in this statement, of this statement, this has been, at first cost, Wednesday next, In our view, or in our view, in our statement, it appears, it appears that. Thank you. Important outline, day 7. By all means, it is only necessary, it can only be, it may only be, they will only be, longer than, more than, any longer, no longer than, rather than, smaller than, going on, at all, our own, have been, expected. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 8. Have been informed, have been informed, have been returned, who have not, out of doors, rate of interest, state of affairs, Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, at all events, into effect, incorporated association, medical association, political association, traders association. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 9. As it were, by which it was, if it is not, if it be not, if it were, in which it is, in which it has appeared, of which it has been, of which it must be, able to make, able to think, I am able to think, I am unable to think, we are able to make. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 10. You will be able to, I cannot be, I cannot say, I cannot see, I hope you will not, I may not be, I shall not be, I trust not, I was not, you cannot, you may not, you must not, you should not be, you were not. Thank you. Advanced phraseography, day 11. You are not, I would, if it would be, they would be, they would not be, we would, few words, in our words, many words, at any rate, at all times, at some time, at the same time. Thank you. Phraseography, day 12. For some time, from time to time, or from time to time. Some time ago, above there, over there, before there is, from there, has to be there, has been there, how can be, how can there be, I am sure there is, I believe there will be, I have there. Thank you. Advanced phraseography, day 13. I have been there, I know there is, I know there is not, I know there will be, I see there is, I think there will be, I wish there will be. If there, if there is, if there is to be, if it did, if it be there, in their case, in their opinion, in their statement. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 14. In which there is, in which there is, increasing their value, increasing their value, making their way, more than their, pending their decision, shall be there, then there are, they have been there, though there is, upon there, we have there, we have been there, whenever there is. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 15. By some other means, by some other means, some other way, some other respects, or some other, in other words, in order, in order that, in order to, having, my dear sir, my dear madam, my dear friend, my dear fellow citizens. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 16. I have received, I have received, in other respects, in reply, we have received, almost certain, just been, just received, last week, last month, last year, most probably, must be. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 17. Next week, there must be, you must be, you must not be, very pleased indeed, in fact, in point of fact, telegraph office, worthwhile, in the manner, and in like manner, and in the same manner. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 18. And in the same manner as, in this manner, next month, this month, as far as possible, as much as possible, as soon as possible, as well as possible, as if it were possible, just possible, between them, foundation stone. Thank you. Important phraseography, day 19. One another, towards one another, industrial life. I hope, I hope you are satisfied, and the contrary cannot be considered, for consideration or for consideration, fully considered, further considered, further consideration. I have concluded. Thank you. Important phraseography, date 20. In conclusion, into consideration, it is considered, it may be considered, little consideration, must be considered, necessary conclusion, necessary consequence, ought to be considered, satisfactory, conclusion, shall be considered, shall be taken into consideration. Thank you. Important phraseography day 21. Should be considered, some consideration, take into consideration, taken into consideration, that conclusion, unsatisfactory conclusion, we have concluded, were considered, which will be considered, which will be taken in consideration, which will be taken in consideration. Thank you.